Hello friends, I'm Lakhan Kumar. Welcome to Damani Skills. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Duolingo app. Duolingo is best app for learn new languages. So if you want to learn new language, so watch this video till end and I will tell you how to use Duolingo app. Okay, let's get started. So now I'm going to tell you how to use Duolingo app. Duolingo is best app for learn new languages. In my previous video, I told you about Bosu app, how to learn new languages, how to use Bosu app. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about Duolingo app, and if you want to install download, so I added the link in description below. And also you want to install from Play Store, so simply type on search Duolingo and just click on install. So now simply open it. Duolingo is best app for learning new languages. And here's two type of options. First is get started, and number second is I already have an account. If you have already an account, so you can open it. And you are new, so simply click get start. You can see here learn a language for free forever. So here option is I want to learn Chinese. So here you can see why are you learning a language. I am learning this language for brain training. Here are so many options you can select. If you want to select another, so you can select another option. So here option is pick a goal, regular 10 minutes a day. So here I selected 10 minutes a day. I will regular 10 minutes practice per day, each and every day. So here you can select more time. Like here you can see option. You can always change this goal later. Okay, continue it. So here choose a path. Number first option is learning Chinese for first time, and second is already know some Chinese. But we are new, so select number first option. So here simply click and listen about pronunciations and select one correct answer. How? This one is how. Okay, good job. Continue again.
好，好，
How? Select good. It's okay, correct. Continue it.
好，好，
Select one
好，
and check. Excellent.
你好，你好，
Just listen and choose one correct one answer. Because little bit I know about practice, I before learned about little bit Chinese. That's why I know little bit. Again continue. So here option is select the correct character for how. So now option is in Chinese language. We should need to select one. For example, we are selecting this one.
好，
Okay, this one correct. Continue. Your hard work is paying off. Continue. So here translate this sentence. So now we should need to translate this sentence into Chinese. Hello means ni hao.
你好，
This is correct. Okay, continue. Now here again translate this sentence. Good.
好，
Okay, let me check.
好，
Correct. Continue again. Again continue it. And here you can see first day. Your first lesson is complete. Continue it. So here option is create profile. If you want to create your profile, so create now, and if you want to later, so you can create later. For we are creating profile now because I need to tell you how to create profile. Simply click on it. So here if you want to create new profile, so you can create new. Here three way. First is type all of your age, name, and second is continue with Facebook, and third is continue with Google account, Gmail. So I'm going to continue with my Facebook account. So here option is get free Duolingo Plus. Invite friends. No thanks. Simply no thanks. Click on no thanks and select here number second option, profile. So this is your profile, and if you want to change your picture, so you can change your picture. Here click on it and take your picture or your photos. You can see here top of corner, click on it. So this is setting of your profile. If you want to change your name, you can change your name, and if you want to change your username, so you can change your username, and if you want to change your Gmail, you can change your Gmail, and then password and sign out. You can see here so many options. If you want to use, you can use, and sound effect off on, motivation message on off. If you want to help, so you can go to help center, and if you want to feedback, you can send feedback. And yes, here's option is speaking exercise, listening exercise. If you want to on off, you can select on off. Here's option is available. And notifications, you can see practice reminder. If you want to remind your practice each and every day, so simply select it, and daily basic you will receive a practice reminder. So here are so many other options. I'm sure you will easily do it. Okay, if you want to save, so simply click on done, and now your setting is saved. So I hope it will be helpful for you. So I hope you will like this video. If you will like this video, it will be helpful, so please do like, and if you have any question, you can ask in comments box, and never forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and till then, take care. Love you all. Thanks for watching.